Hi, Doug Stworski for the U.S. Access Institute, LLC. Today we look at one specific element in our lesson series called Accessibility by the Element. That's where we take a quick look at the accessibility requirements and one specific element. We also do a comparison of the different ADA and state access codes and standards. We try to cover it from coast to coast. Remember, our goal is eliminating the confusion and access compliance. So check us out at www.usaccessinstitute.com. Okay, here we go. First, we start with the periodic table of accessible elements. It's not a real table in the access standard sense of things, but hey, we want to make access fun. Next, we look at section 606, and that covers lavatories and sinks. But we really want to start by looking at the scoping requirements for lavatories today. Therefore, we'll go to section 213.3.4, and that does cover the scoping requirements for lavatories only. It states that where lavatories are provided, at least one shall comply and shall not be located in a toilet compartment. Now we will compare this requirement to some other accessibility standards. The 2012 Texas Accessibility Standard says at least one shall comply and shall not be located in a toilet compartment. In the ICC A117.1 and the scoping requirements from the 2021 IBC states the same, that where lavatories are provided, at least 5%, but not less than one, shall be accessible. And it goes on to say that where an accessible lavatory is located within the accessible water closet compartment, as shown in this photo, at least one additional accessible lavatory shall be provided in the multi-compartment toilet room outside the water closet compartment. That way it's available for all users. The 2018 Illinois Accessibility Code is in agreement that if where lavatories are provided, at least one shall comply and shall not be located in a toilet compartment. The 2020 Florida Accessibility Code states the same, that where lavatories are provided, at least one shall comply and shall not be located in a toilet compartment. But this means in existing buildings, because in section 604.8.1.6, it states that in new construction, the wheelchair accessible toilet compartment shall contain an accessible lavatory within it. So here the lavatory is required in the compartment for new construction. 2022 California Building Code states it a little different, where lavatories are provided at least 10%, but no fewer than one shall comply and shall not be located in the toilet compartment. So in conclusion, all the standards are in agreement except Florida, as Florida requires an accessible lavatory in an accessible water closet compartment. This is in addition to the accessible lavatory for the remainder of the multi-user restroom. All the other standards state that the accessible lavatory is not to be installed in a water closet compartment. The idea is the accessible lavatory is available to every user in the restroom and not contained in one compartment. But there is nothing that prohibits installing another accessible lavatory in the individual compartment, provided all the clearances are met, and there is one that serves the entire restroom. So thanks for watching, and remember that here at the U.S. Access Institute, LLC, our goal is eliminating the confusion and access compliance. Please check us out at www.usaccessinstitute.com.